My dear kings and queens, how are you? Hope you all well. Let's start. First of all, start with the engine. 399cc engine, and the power will be 43 bhp power, and the torque will be 37 Nm. And அடுத்ததா suspension setup. Suspension setup will be upside down front forks and asymmetrically mounted rear WP monoshock rear absorbers. In brake section, the braking task will be handled by disc brakes on both ends with the dual channel ABS, with the supermoto mode and cornering function and a traction control system. And அடுத்ததா பார்த்தீங்கன்னா the lighting setup, all lights in the bike LED only, and Bluetooth is available, and the TFT display is enabled with Bluetooth and a quick shifter. And next one, the expected price will be around 3.2 lakh. The launch date will be expected in November 2023. And okay, these are the specifications of KTM Duke 390. Kindly comment your comments on 390.